Hello, this presentation is about Tasmania, one of the states in Australia. The aim of this study is to look and explain the physical feature, climate, location, tourist attraction, and also the socio-economic activities in Tasmania. Through this, we can better understand what makes Tasmania special in terms of nature, tourism, and development. Overall, Tasmania is a unique place with rich natural landscape, interesting wildlife, and strong tourism value. Its geography and environment make it one of the most attractive destinations in Australia for both tourists and researchers.
Tasmania has many physical characteristics. In Australia, Tasmania is known for its beautiful natural environment. The state has a mix of mountains, forests, rivers, and beaches. It is also the most forested part of Australia, the large areas of temperate rainforest. Besides that, Tasmania is home to unique plants and animals such as the leatherwood tree, Tasmanian devil, and eastern coal. These natural elements make Tasmania rich in wildlife and scenery. In Tasmania, we have Mount Osa. Mount Osa is the highest mountain in Tasmania, standing at about 1,617 meters above the sea level. It is located in the Cradle Mountain Lake St. Clair National Park, which is part of the Tasmanian Wilderness World Heritage Area. Mount Osa is known for its rugged and rocky landscape, mainly from ancient sedimentary rocks shaped by glaciation during the Ice Age. The mountain has a sharp, jagged summit and steep slopes, making it a challenging climb for hikers. Unlike many forested areas in Tasmania, the upper parts of Mount Osa are mostly alpine, with low-growing vegetation such as shrubs, grasses, and moss. Next, we have River Derwent. River Derwent is rising in Lake St. Clair on the Central Plateau and flowing 113 miles, which is 182 kilometers southeast to enter Storm Bay through a 3.5-mile wide estuary. It is major upper course tributaries, the Jordan, Clyde, Ouse draining the Great Lake, and D are extensively developed for hydropower. Hops are grown in irrigated alluvial terrace along its middle course, while in the rich farming area around New Norfolk are many fruit orchards. The city of Hobart is situated on the estuary, 12 miles, which is 19 kilometers from the river's mouth. This stretch of the river forms an excellent deep water spot and is spanned by the Tasman and other bridge. The river was sighted and named Rivière du Nord by the French Admiral Bruni d'Entrecasteaux in 1793, but soon was renamed after the River Derwent in England.
Climate in Tasmania. Tasmania rainfall is driven by strong westerly winds that hit the island's tall mountain. This smooth ocean wind climbed the mountain in the west. They dump massive amount of rain, creating large rainforests and wide river. By the time the air crosses over the mountain to the east, it has lost more of its moisture, leaving the city like Hobart much drier and sunnier in what known as rain shadow. This creates a dramatic split where one and a half of the island is drenched whiteness while the other half stays relatively dry.
Tasmania is one of the few places in Australia where you can get true European-style four-season experience because it sits so far south. The weather changes dramatically through the year. Summer in Tasmania starts from December till February. The vibe is such a mild and pleasant, rarely sticking hot like a mainland Australia. The weather temperature usually sit between 17 degrees Celsius and 23 degrees Celsius. In the other hand, winter in Tasmania starts from June till August. The vibe is moody, cozy and snowy on their peaks. The weather is chilly, often between 3 degrees Celsius till 11 degrees Celsius. For the autumn season, it starts from March till May. The vibe is crisp, calm and colourful. Many people consider this is the best time to visit. The weather is clear blue skies and cooling temperature. Lastly is spring season. It starts from September till November. The vibe is fresh, windy and wake-up season. The weather is very unpredictable. You might experience 4 seasons in one day, like sunshine, rain and wine all before the lunch.
Tasmania is an island state located south of mainland Australia. It is separated from Australia by the Bass Strait. The island is located around 42 degrees south latitude and 147 degrees east longitude. Because of its southern location, Tasmania has a cooler climate than most part of Australia. The weather is usually mild with cool summers and cool winters. Tasmania is surrounded by the Southern Ocean, which affects its temperature and rainfall. The island is famous for its natural beauty, such as mountains, moraines, rivers, and national parks. Due to its unique geography and climate, Tasmania is popular for tourism, agriculture, and outdoor activities.
Tasmania is a beautiful island known for wild rivers, ancient rainforests, and unique wildlife. It's a paradise for food lovers, with fresh produce, wineries, and distilleries you can visit directly. Each season offers something different: colorful autumn leaves, snowy winter with festivals, spring with whales and wildflowers, and swimmable beaches in summer. You can explore by rental car, ferry, tour or bus. Overall, Tasmania meets stunning nature, rich heritage, and great food all in one place.
Socio-economic attractions in Tasmania. Tasmania's weekend markets, like Hobart Salamanca Market, help small businesses sell handmade goods directly to tourists with low overhead. Run by Hobart City Council, the market draws tens of thousands each Saturday and boosts the local economy through a multiplier effect. As spending flows into nearby cafes, hotels, and transport.
Show me how you care.
Handmade crafts also preserve culture and create jobs. For example, Palawa shell stringing necklaces made using a 2,600-year-old method are sold at galleries and markets across Tasmania. This gives indigenous artists income and helps keep their traditions alive. Community events like the Taste of Summer, food festival turned
local culture into tourist attractions. They bring interstate and overseas visitors, driving spending on accommodations, transport, food, and retail in regional areas. This creates seasonal jobs and injects millions into local economies during slow periods.